Hi everyone, Anshul this side from Rcare Overseas Education, and today we are with Haaris, who has received his admission letter from German Public University FAU Erlangen, and he's going to pursue his master's course in e-mobility. So in this video, we'll be covering the topics which is going to include the reason why he opted for e-mobility from FAU Erlangen instead of also getting an admission letter from a different university altogether. Like he has also received the admission from OVGU Magdeburg as well. So let's first introduce Haaris, who has today only he received his visa approval from the German consulate in New Delhi, and in this video we'll be discussing about the reasons why he opted for a particular course in Germany. So welcome Haaris, and can you please give introduction first?
Hello sir, my name is Mohammad Haaris Iqbal and I did my bachelor's from Delhi Institute of Tool Engineering in 2021. After that I have decided to do my master's from Germany, and that's why I came to Rcare Education to Rcare Education to
avail the service.
to avail their service. They can, so that they can help me to achieve my dreams and pursue my education in Germany.
All right. So many congratulations to you, Haaris. I've been informed that today only you received your visa from the German consulate, and since nowadays everyone who is applying for the German study visa, they are getting 6 months of visa approval. So his visa you have the visa stamp from 1st of April, right?
Yeah, from 1st of April.
Right. And his classes, because he's got admitted into summer intake in 23, so his classes are going to start from 17th of April. So probably you might be traveling around 7th or 10th of April, right?
10th of April.
Okay. Now the topic which I wanted to discuss in this particular video was Haaris always wanted to go for a course which is into automotive sort of sector, and his bachelor's studies was in mechatronics. So first of all, the question which I wanted to ask from Haaris was, he received two admission letters from German Public University. One was from OVGU Magdeburg, in which he got admitted into medical system engineering, and the other one was from FAU Erlangen Nuremberg, from where he got admission into masters in e-mobility. Now, what was the specific reason, Haaris, that you, instead of going for medical system engineering at OVGU Magdeburg, you opted for e-mobility from FAU?
Actually, e-mobility is a big sector which includes all the electric vehicle which we see today in our country, and in future it will be a booming sector, and it has many scope for anyone who is opting for this course. So that's why I think that I should change my sector from medical system engineering to e-mobility.
Right. Now, as he told, the sector is quite demanding in the upcoming future, and which is very true as well, because Germany has always been, let's say, the prominent leader or the leading industry when it comes to automobile sector. Pursuing a course such as automobile engineering, or let's suppose in e-mobility or vehicle technology sort of courses, are always going to give you a lot of edge over your competitors who are pursuing the similar course from, let's say, any different country altogether. Fine. So now I also wanted to discuss about his profile altogether. So Haaris had you had 84% in your bachelor's,
Yeah,
right?
84%.
So 84% in bachelor, which is almost equivalent to 1.8 German grades, right?
Yeah,
You received the same rating from Unisys as well,
yeah.
right? Now he had 1.8 German grade. He has an IELTS score of 7 bands. Plus he also has relevant, let's say, internship as well as. Do you had work experience as well?
Yeah, I am
How many years of work experience you had?
for 1 year.
1 year work experience. And what was your profile?
It's a web developer.
Web developer, right? Now, see, his work profile was a bit different as compared to what the course he has applied for. However, the internship that he has done from mechatronics background, it was relevant to the course of study that we have applied for in Germany. Now, one of the reasons why he got admitted into e-mobility, or perhaps he also got an admission from Duisburg University for automation and management technology, but Duisburg University offered this course as a bilingual course, which is why he did not opt for it. One of the biggest reason for him getting into e-mobility was because in his bachelor studies he had approximately 6 to 7 subjects which were from automation, or from no, not from automation but from automobile technology, which it also includes vehicle technology as well, right? Thermodynamics was one of them. Now when you count all these subjects and you count the number of credit points that he had in these subjects, it was more than 30 credit points. Now 30 credit points is something which is equivalent to around uh, 36 ECTS as compared to German grading system, which is one of the biggest reason why he got admission into this course as well. Secondly, whenever you apply for such a course, you will find out a lot of universities in Germany, they're asking for GRE as well. For example, FH Aachen, which I've already covered in previous videos as well, that FH Aachen or perhaps in Ingolstadt, the requirements are different. They also offer the international automobile sort of courses as well. But FH Aachen requires GRE, which is a mandatory requirement. Perhaps Haaris didn't had the GRE examination done, which is why we did not apply for that particular university for him. Similarly, Ingolstadt, they do not require GRE as such. However, it is strongly recommended by them. In fact, instead of focusing on GRE, Ingolstadt is one, one university which is asking for additional work experience as well. So the whole point is, even though if you are not able to get admission into such university, you always have the option to apply for different universities also with a similar course, such as the e-mobility that he has opted for. Uh, the reason being, like, once you get into any public university in Germany, and let's suppose he goes into this FAU Ralagan and he completes his first semester from there. In first semester, you always have the option of opting for elective subjects as well. So in the electives, you can always opt for core courses into automobile. And let's suppose if you get a good grade in your first semester as well, you always have the option to apply to a different university for a more relevant course, or a for more core course, let's say from a German public university, which is a different one from where you got the admission. So these are the points like which I wanted to discuss in this video, that even though if you get a chance to get into any sort of similar courses, do not miss that opportunity, because Germany perhaps is one of the best country when it comes to such courses. Fine. And always it is the most important factor when it comes to admission is always going to be your bachelor studies and your bachelor grades. A good grade such as Haaris has a lot of chances to get into uh, most of the German public universities. So apart from this, like the academic background that you have, you can also focus on completing internships which are matching your this course preference. So what was your internship about?
I did internship in embedded system, also and industrial management, like production of tools and how to work on a machine like a lathe machine and something.
Right. And the overall duration of all the internships combined together, what was how many months or weeks?
Approx 5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 months. Right. Now, this is also one topic which we have covered before as well. That during your bachelor studies, if you could add on internships, those internships apart from what is there in your academic module, that can add up to your grade points. So, which is one again a reason for you to get selected into a particular course as compared to your competitions. So we would like to thank Haaris for giving us the time today, and we wish him all the best for his journey to Germany and to his future career as well. So thank you for the
Thank you,
video,
sir.
Haaris. And so anyone who wants to pursue their bachelor's, master's, or perhaps Ausbildung from Germany, they can always contact us. We'll be happy to answer all your queries. And most importantly, for anyone who is applying for winter semester intake, make sure that you start your APS application as soon as possible, because without that there's a possibility we might get the admission, but we won't be able to apply for the visa if the APA certificate is not there. So you can always write a comment to us, email us your queries, or you can also WhatsApp us as well. So thank you for watching our channel. Thank you.